How can you apply Calamine lotion on chickenpox, and how can you apply Calamine lotion on the face? So when you get Calamine lotion, you will have a bottle like this, and it will normally have 2 separate layers of liquid. So you need to shake the bottle before you apply it. So let's shake it. After you shake the bottle, you can open it, and you can either use your bare hand in order to apply it, or you can wear a glove, or you can use a clean cotton pad like this. So I'm going to apply with my bare hands first. You need to make sure you wash your hands with soap and water, and then you can just use the bottle like this, and you'll get some Calamine lotion on your hand, and then you can just spread it on your skin like this. So just like that. Once you apply it, you do not need to wash it off. You just keep it on there and it will dry and it will flake off. Once your skin starts to feel itchy again, you can get some cool water, so not ice cold water and not hot water. You get some cool water and you can wash this off, and then you can apply a new fresh layer of Calamine lotion. If you want to apply Calamine lotion to the face, then you do the same thing, but you can use your fingers instead. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers, and you just put it on your face like this. If you are applying Calamine lotion on your face, do not put it anywhere around the corners of your mouth or your lips. Do not put it anywhere near your nostrils, so the holes in your nose, and do not put it anywhere near your eyes. So Calamine lotion is alcohol based, and that means that alcohol can irritate any part of your face where there is water, and so that will be around your nostrils, your eyes, and around your mouth and lips. If you don't want to use Calamine lotion because it's too difficult to use, it's too liquidy, then you can use Calamine cream instead. And this is much easier to apply, so you just take it out like that, squeeze a little bit out, and again do the same thing. So I'm just going to do it on this arm, and you just spread it on the area where you have the itchy spots or your chickenpox. So again, you just wait for it to dry and it will become flaky. So on this arm, you can see it's become really white and flaky. This was the liquid and this is the cream. So it's slowly starting to dry, but it's less likely to flake off because a cream is water-based and the lotion is alcohol-based. So you can apply as much Calamine lotion as you want because it's not really harmful. If you are allergic to anything in Calamine lotion or Calamine cream, then you should not use it. There are other things that you can try to help treat chickenpox, and I've got a separate video on that which you can watch next. Thank you for watching.